Good day, Pinoy Clicksters and Mixers. Welcome back to the channel. It's really hard to get over your ex, especially if your ex is X-Men. Let's go! Okay, so we have here a package from Buy and Ship, our trusted consolidation partner for Pinoy Heroclix stuff. Okay. And this particular package contains, I think, 6 items, and all of which, if I'm not mistaken, is X-Men. Okay, so as I said in previous video, I would usually only collect X-Men. Okay, but sometimes I sell my X-Men collection, parts of it, and then I would just get them again online. Okay, so because I do buy and sell. So if somebody's interested, I give them a price, and if you agree, then I'm willing to let go temporarily of my collection. I have separation anxiety at times, so that's why I have to get my X-Men back. Okay, and this particular consolidation is just that. It contains items, X items, okay, that I have sold and I got back, plus some, of course, not just X-Men, or not just those that I have sold, but I think I also added some more for my X-Men collection. Okay, let's go ahead. This one is from Valiant Games LLC, so it's an eBay purchase. Let's see what it is. It contains it doesn't open. This one is open like this. It contains the Dark Beast. Okay, so I think the Dark Beast was purchased by Errol. Okay, so we agreed on a price, as I said, and I sold it. Now I have him back, the Dark Beast from XXS, X-Men Savior School. Chase Dark Beast. Okay, so welcome back, Dark Beast. Let's go to the next one. A lot of these are single items only, because sometimes especially for older items, you're not able to buy it anymore on one store, so you have to really ship out from multiple stores and person. This is from Michael Holloway. Okay, so this is a Heroclix player in the US, if I'm not mistaken. And from him, we got back our Apocalypse Prime. Okay, so let's see. I hope he is in good condition. That's just the risk I take, because of course, if it's coming from the US or anywhere else, parts may be broken. And fortunately, this one is not. So thank you very much, good sir, and welcome back, Apocalypse Prime. The next one is from Valiant Games again. Okay, so sometimes you do get it from the same source, but sometimes it automatically pays. I don't know why in my eBay. So, but anyway, it's fine. And this one we have this. Only a bystander. Okay. So this is a new purchase. I don't have this before, but I wanted to get this guy. It's Manifold Bystander. Okay, so there's a paper version of this, but I would prefer the token version as much as possible. Manifold, of course, is a mutant, and this is him. I think in the future, but yeah, stealth because of Wakanda, facing TK barrier prop for 25 points. It's rotating, but so that's why we're able to get him at a good price. But yeah, welcome to the club. Next one is from Jason Reinhardt. Okay, a flex player, and let's see what we got back from him. Okay, we got back Okay, from X-Men, X of Swords. Okay. Or at least the box says so. Let's see what it is. Okay. It's kind of hard to open it because of all the tape. That's a good sign. It means it's protected. And this is... let's just rip it up. This part. Okay, this is... Darn! The Uncaring. Okay. It's from the X-Men X of Sword OP kit. Okay, so welcome back, Darn! No damage whatsoever, so good. Welcome back, Darn, to the collection. Okay, so only one item also for that one. Okay, we are down to our last two. And the last two are, I hope, the best ones yet. Okay, so we have here the box. This is from Eric French. Okay, let's see what we have. So, have you ever sold something before that you regretted or had separation anxiety and you wanted to get it back? No. Or you got it back? Okay. If you did, you can always put it in the comments and we can talk about it more. Ooh, what's this? Okay. Okay, so we have our first casualty. Twilight Sword is missing. This should be Genesis. Here, the Twilight Sword is here. So it's a quick fix, a quick glue. This would probably be Genesis, I would assume. There you go. We have Annihilation, by the way. Annihilation from X of Swords. Okay, so welcome back to the collection. But I know there is more to this. Okay, and this is additional new ones. Oh, okay. We have it. These are additional to our collection. So we're able to get Annihilation back. And we added some more. We have, as you can see here, the Twilight Sword card. Okay. We have the Annihilation card. And the big purchase here is the Apocalypse Legacy card. Okay, which I've always wanted. I don't have it. And the original G03 legacy card, legacy figure. Okay, where's the figure? Okay, here's this is probably the figure. And yeah, it is. So yeah, happy to have him in my collection. Apocalypse. I do have the G08, I think, in my collection, but that's not the one that got legacied. This one got legacied. So, and it's a bit pricey, but it's fine. But because I got them as a package in that sense. And we have here for the legacy figure, we have the bystanders, and I think this represents them. Okay, so also have tokens for the bystanders. So always a good thing. Okay, the daemon. Where's the daemon? Okay, we have the pestilence. We have another daemon. Okay, annihilation and another daemon. Okay, we don't have the other bystanders. That's weird. Okay, we only have two, pestilence and death archangel. We don't have the other war and famine. I don't know why. So, but I'll just print probably a sticker paper on it. Okay, on top of these tokens. But it's fine. I'll probably give it a run in silver. Okay, so thank you for that. And finally, the last item is from FSGWH. I don't know what that means. Okay, but it's probably an online store, an eBay store. Okay. So this is the X-Men First Class. Okay. So this is from I don't know what. Okay, but anyway, we have him back. Welcome back. X-Men first appearance. Okay, but I think somebody is buying this. Okay, Larry wanted one. So this would probably go straight to him. That means I need to purchase again Marvel X Iconics first appearance X-Men. Okay, this is a good set. Okay, can I just check if the cards are inside? There you go. Cards seem to be there. Okay. So group picture first before we wrap things up. Okay, so what do you guys think? Share your thoughts in the comments. Until the next time. Bye.